Hi there, welcome to Math Camp channel. Today we are going to learn trigonometry. Trigonometry basically deals to find out missing side or missing angle of right angle triangle. Keep in mind, trigonometry only deals with right angle triangle. And there are few trigonometric ratios that we use to find out missing side or missing angle of the right angle triangle. And these ratios are sine ratio, cosine ratio, and tangent ratios. Now, to find out these sides, opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent, we require this thing. This is a sine of angle, and it is called theta. And theta is an angle which is other than 90 degrees angle. Now here we have this right angle triangle, and we can see there is a right angle triangle, but this is not our theta. Our theta could be this angle, or it could be this angle. Now let's suppose we have this theta. If you have this theta, now according to this theta, this side which is opposite to it will be called opposite side, and this side which is next to it will be called as adjacent side, and the hypotenuse will always be opposite side of 90-degree angle. Keep in mind, hypotenuse is always the opposite side of 90 degrees. Let's deal with different triangles. Now we have this right angle triangle, and you can see the theta is there. Now first we can identify the hypotenuse, which is always opposite to 90-degree angle. So this is going to be hypotenuse. The side just opposite to this theta will be called opposite side, and the side which is next to it will be called adjacent side. Now the same triangle, if we change the theta, now this time the opposite side is going to be this side, which is opposite to theta. The hypotenuse will remain same, which is this side which is next to theta will be adjacent. Pause this video and start labeling these triangles. Now let's start checking your answers. So this is all for today. I hope you have enjoyed your lesson. Take care. Bye bye.